my taquitos, hello my taquitas, hello my tacos, my taco timers. Today, in another video of Taco Time, we're doing not an unboxing. Why would I do an unboxing? We're opening up a Nintendo Switch to see if it's fixable. Cause as you can see, it's a little battle damaged. It's a little battle damaged. It was my cousin Emilio's, and while he was doing a video, not a video, when we were playing Nintendo Switch, surprisingly Smash Bros. Guessed who crunched the cable while jumping jump rope like it was a pair of kindergarteners? Me, my sister! Okay, I'll be back. Well, I'm back. Sign in. Let's go up. So in an hour and a half, we're gonna be. I may edit this, but Jesus, it's gonna take an hour. I don't know how long, but dang, it's gonna be long. See you in an hour and a half.